Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel Cherish Coco. In today's video I'll be showing you how I edited my AI pictures that I've been posting for a while, and also how I added my watermark to it, and also how I added some lightening to brighten the pictures. Alright, I would like you to watch this video to the end and just tell me what you think, and also if you like to know the app I'm using, kindly let me know from the comment section. So the first thing I'll be doing is I'm going to go to my folder and pick up the picture I want to use. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and set it in Instagram size, which is 1.1, and I'm going to go to my layers to bring my watermark to the front, and I'm going to set it at the right place whereby it's not going to block any of the picture. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and edit it by adding some brightness to it to make it more brighter, and also adding some saturation to it to give it more color, to make it more colorful. Alright, so then I'm going to go ahead and download the picture, and I'm going to save it in my folder, and I'll move on to the next picture I'm going to do. I'll do the same with the next picture I'm going to post, and after all this I'm going to go ahead and post it on my Facebook, add the write up to it from the Facebook studio. Alright, so this was what I was able to do for now, and I'm going to be bringing it up step by step. If you like to know the app I'm using to edit all these videos and the app I'm using to download the videos, kindly let me know from the comment section, or you can also send me a private message. Alright guys, so don't forget to like the videos, share it out to as many people that want, and also kindly kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking the blue subscription button, and also kindly support me with star. I will really appreciate it, and I really want to thank you for your support guys. Thank you, and see you soon on the part 2 of how I edit my video.